That recommendation comes after nearly 2,000 COVID cases confirmed in Pima County in just 1 week.
Now, the health department tells us they won't be enforcing the curfew, but as Rogelio Maras reports, they hope the recommendation is enough to keep people at home and healthy.
Contact.
It's voluntary, and that's important to know.
I can imagine our viewers asking, what does a curfew do to keep a virus from spreading?
We're trying to encourage folks to take steps to minimize their contact, especially unnecessary contact.
The details are as follows. The time frame for the voluntary curfew are between the hours of 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. every day. County Health says it'll be put in place until December 31st.
We've seen the highest total weekly case counts in the last 2 weeks, even higher than we saw over the summer with our huge peak.
In a memo, County Administrator Chuck Huckleberry highlights 1,985 cases reported over a period between the 15th and the 21st of November. With 7 days left in the month, Huckleberry says in the memo, Pima County has now exceeded the total amount reported in July at the height of the summer outbreak. The health department says when cases rose earlier this semester at the University of Arizona, similar orders were put into place.
We saw that voluntary shelter in place worked. And so we're hoping to have some carryover out into the larger community from that.
The county emphasizes this is a standalone voluntary order.
It's not meant to be any part of any larger sort of implementation.
County Health says it won't be enforced legally, but why the hours of 10 at night to 5 in the morning?
The later in the day, we know that, sometimes that those are exposures that aren't necessary.
According to Huckleberry, just yesterday, 878 new COVID cases were reported in Pima County. Rogelio Maras, KGUN 9, on your side.
And today, Pima County has reported 544 new cases of COVID-19.